Here's how easy it is to use the Thumper MkIII air compressor to reinflate your tyres. First, remove everything from the bag. You'll have the Thumper MkIII itself with 2-metre power cables and alligator clips, 8-metre air hose and the spring-loaded quick connect fitting. Screw the quick connect fitting onto the end of the air hose and connect the other end to the Thumper MkIII by sliding the metal collar back and pushing the fitting into place. Pop your bonnet and connect the alligator clips to your battery, red to positive, black to negative. Make sure they have a good firm connection and the terminals are free of mud or corrosion. Now start the car and let it idle. This is to ensure the air compressor gets full power and you don't flatten the battery while you're pumping up your tyres. Then simply connect the compressor to the first tyre's valve and turn the compressor on at the switch. To check tyre pressures, you'll need to turn the Thumper MkIII back off, then back on again if you need to add more air. If you're pumping up trailer tyres and have the optional 4-metre air extension hose, connect it in line between the Thumper MkIII and the 8-metre air hose like this. And that's it. Now your Thumper MkIII will naturally heat up during operation, so be wary not to touch any of the metal fittings until it's completely cooled down. Once it has cooled down, you can pack it up and you're ready to go. Thumper is the most trusted name in Aussie portable air compressors, and after seeing how quick and easy they are to use, that should come as no surprise. You can get one today for an incredible price, and the next time you go four-wheel driving, it'll make things even better.